I'm going to show you the simplest way to tie a tie, the knot with the fewest amount of steps, one that you can master in under a minute. This is the Oriental knot. Once you know it, you'll wonder why you ever bothered with the others. Start by draping the tie around your neck with the back facing outwards. That's important, especially for the last step, which is where the magic happens. Leave the wide end hanging about a foot lower than the narrow end. That's our starting position. If you get this right, everything else will fall into place. Cross the thin end over the wide end to make an X. Hold the X nice and firmly. With your other hand, take the wide end across the front, keeping it snug but not tight. The next move locks everything in place. Swap hands and place 2 fingers underneath, like this. With your other hand, bring the wide end around the back and up through this neck loop. Then tuck it down through this loop at the front. Make sure the wide end is centered as you pull it down. Squeeze the bottom of the knot to get a nice triangular shape. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up. The tip of your tie should fall around your belt buckle. If your tie ends up too short, start with the wide end lower. And try not to over-tighten it. This knot looks best when it can breathe a little. It also works best with a classic or medium spread collar. If you've got a cutaway collar, then you might prefer the Windsor knot, which I'll link in the description. Now there's another knot that pairs perfectly with this one. I'll let you decide if it beats it. Hit that next video and see for yourself.